Hello, everybody. How you guys doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to make a corner shelf. Okay. Now let's go to on Mastercam 9 and open that up, and go to main menu and click on Create. Then we're going to go click on Rectangle and click on 1 point. We're going to put 48 by 94. 48 by 94. This corner here. Click OK. Drag all the way to the bottom left. Click it on there and click Escape. Alt F1, put the screen in the middle. Then we're gonna go over here to main menu again. Now this time we're gonna make it a line. Gonna go to X form and offset. And click on copy here. Then we're gonna click 2 inches, okay? Then click OK. Stop this line right here. Click it right here. Go back to main menu. Then we're gonna make a box 20 by 20, okay, corner shelf. So we're gonna click on Create. We're going to click on rectangle. We're going to go 1 point. We're going to put on 20 by 20. Then we're going to click right here on the middle and click OK. Right here. Line it up right here. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, and try to get 8 right here. And 8, okay. Click Escape. Gonna come back on the top right here and delete this first line right here. Okay. Okay, we've got 8 boxes right here. Then we're gonna go back to main menu. Then we're gonna click on Off Form, X Form, and Offset. Right here, we've got a copy, click on there, and then off the distance, we're gonna put 14 inches. Okay, and then okay. Then we're gonna start from this side right here, from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, back to X form again. Offset X form, and then right here, off the distance again, we're gonna put 10 inches, okay? And 10 inches, we're gonna click from bottom to top, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? Now we're gonna go over here, click on Create. Then we're gonna click on Arc. Then we're gonna use 3 point, okay? Now 3 point, we're gonna use right here in this corner here, on the top corner right here. Click on it. Then we drag all the way to this middle here and the midpoint right here, and click on it. Then we're gonna drag on this corner right here, end point, okay? Put on this point right here. So we're gonna do all this like this, all the 8 boxes, okay? Okay, let's start again from the top. 1, 2 in the middle, and 3 in the bottom right here. On the top, at midpoint, and an end point right here. On the top, midpoint, and end point, okay? 1, 2, and 3. End point, midpoint, and we've got an end point right here. Again, on the top right here, and midpoint, and we've got the end point on the bottom. On the top, midpoint, and we got on the end point. here. Okay, so we got our 8 rectangle. Okay, and we got 8 shell. Okay, now we're gonna go to delete. We're gonna delete this line right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we got online. Get out of the way, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corner shelf. Okay. Now before we cutting, we're gonna go back to main menu. We're gonna go to X1 again, and this time we're gonna use a 1/2 inch. Okay, on X1 offset. Okay, put 0.5, 1/2 inch, and then click OK. We're gonna click from left side to right side. Okay, 1 here, and then bottom to top, 2, and then from here to the inside, 3. Okay, we can do that all the way through 8. 1, 2, and 3. 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 Okay. Okay, this is gonna be an option here. So we're gonna run a regular shell with no pocket, and then we're gonna go and make a label pocket. Okay, so 2 options. So I'm gonna do 4 with a pocket and another 4 with no pocket. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to main menu. We're gonna click on toolpad. We're gonna click on pocket. Okay. Now this time we're gonna do from the bottom. Okay, we're gonna click on the inside right here. But before we do the inside, we're gonna go back. Okay, back to main menu again. And then we're gonna go to modify and trim. And then we got trim right here, and then click on one entity. Okay, we got 1 here, 2 here, 1 and 2. Okay, we trim that out first. 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1 here, 2 here, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. From the top right here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the bottom right here, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Corner right here, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Top, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the bottom right here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the top, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the bottom, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Bottom right here, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now we're right here on the top, 2, 1 and 2. On the bottom right here, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Bottom right, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Bottom right again, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the top, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Bottom left, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Bottom right, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the top, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so we got 8 already. Now we're gonna go to toolpath. Now, like I said again, we're gonna use 4 with the pocket shell. Okay. The reason why I'm trying to do the pocket shell is because that sometimes the customer did not want the stuff to put on the shell and then slip it away. So I'm gonna do a little pocket like a 1/8 depth on there. So that way when you put the material or you're gonna put something on the top of the shell, it would not slip away because it's inside the pocket. Okay, that's what I'm planning to do. But on this 4 right here on the top here, I'm just gonna cut the regular shell. You see the difference? So a lot of people, they use this and some people they require for this one, okay? So let's do that. We're gonna go to a toolpad, click on pocket, okay? Got one right here, click on the inside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we got these 4 right here, okay? Now we're gonna click done. Go to our tool library and then right click. Get the tool from our library. We're gonna scroll down to get a 1/4 inch tool, okay, which is 235. It's right here, a 1/4 inch flat end mill. We're gonna use that for the pocket, okay? Click OK. Then right here, feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. I'm gonna change that to 7.0. I want a little bit faster, okay? 7.0. Retractive also, 7.0. And then on this spindle speed right here, we're gonna slow a little bit down to 2000. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna come back up a pocket parameter. We're gonna make sure our tool is the right height. This all material, we're using a 3/4 inch material. Okay, and it's a tool. And then the clearing right here, we're gonna make a check mark right here to make sure that this tool right here not scratching our part. Okay, and then we'll come down over here, top of the stock, which we're running a 3/4 inch material. So we're gonna put 0.75. And then the depth, we're gonna go 1/8, so it's 0.125. Okay, but negative 1.25, sorry, negative 0.125. Okay, and then we're gonna go roughing and finish parameter. So this time we're gonna use zigzag, constant overlap spiral, parallel spiral, clean corner. I'm gonna use zigzag, okay? Gonna click on zigzag and then click OK. That's how it looks right here, guys. So now we're gonna go back to our contour, okay? And then we're gonna cut all these 8 out, okay? And then we're gonna use the tool, tool number 239, which is having flat end mill, okay? Now right here in this corner right here, we're gonna go ahead and click it, okay? Okay, we're gonna come back this side right here also. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, all done. We're gonna right click again, get tool from our library. Then we're gonna go to tool number 239. Right here having flat end mill, click OK. Then this time we're gonna change this one right here, feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. We kind of change this cut, okay? Gonna go to 9 point, okay? A little bit faster on this one, this cut. So, okay, and this one right here, spindle speed, we're gonna change it to 2000. We're gonna make it a little bit quicker, okay? And then we're gonna go to contour parameter, which we already made a check mark on the clearing already and the top of stock already. So this depth, we're gonna go to negative 0.75 because we're gonna cut all the way through, okay? So we're gonna put negative 0.75. Okay, and click OK. It's all highlighted, it all looks good. Okay, let's go to main menu and then go toolpad, then click on operation. Now we're gonna select all, regenerate path, and verify. Now we're gonna execute this one. So we're gonna go right here, the start button. Okay. So you want to move a little bit faster on here, you can. See how it goes. What do you guys think about this? And this is for the corner shelf, guys. You can use this for your entertainment, area. You can stack it up right there, build, a shelf. So you can put your a DVD or a picture, anything like that. Or there's a lot of people that use it for garage cabinet. So they use the, lay the tool on there or some picture inside your garage. So whatever they're using is good. I think it looks great on your garage also. So that's why I'm making two options. One is a little bit of pocket, one is no pocket. So depending on the customer they want. So there is easy way that you guys can adjust from stuff from there. So that's how it looks, guys. We got a pocket right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 right here with a pocket, and then later pocket with 1 inch, 1 inch deep. Okay, at least when you put something on here, it will not slip away because it got this pocket. And this one right here is just a regular shell that you can put it on there. Okay, it looks really nice. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and share and like the video. Other than that, thank you guys. You guys have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Bye bye.